Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting polygon, as you can see in this diagram, such that its vertical side length is 11 units, whereas its horizontal side length is 13, and this horizontal segment length is 7 units. And moreover, all of these angles are 90 degrees each. And now our task is to calculate the perimeter of this given polygon. In other words, the sum of all these vertical and horizontal side lengths. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first. Now we are going to calculate the sum of horizontal segments. In other words, this horizontal, this horizontal, this horizontal, and this horizontal segments. And here I have drawn a perpendicular line. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this whole length is 13, and that is equal to this segment length. So this segment length is going to be 13 as well. And now let's assume that this remaining length is x units. Then this length is going to be x units as well. And we know this whole length is 7. So therefore this remaining length has got to be 7 minus x. And this is same as this segment length. If this segment length is 7 minus x, then this has got to be 7 minus x as well. So thus we can see that this whole length turns out to be 13 plus x. And this segment length is obviously 7. And this segment length is 7 minus x. So therefore our horizontal sum of these segments is going to be the sum of 13 plus this one plus this plus this. So let me go ahead and write down 13 plus 7 minus x segment plus 7, and then plus 13 plus x. And here we can see x and minus x, they are gone. And now let's go ahead and add all these numbers, and they add up to 40. So therefore our horizontal sum turns out to be 40. And here's our next step. Now we are going to calculate the vertical sum of these segments. This vertical segment, this vertical segment, this vertical, and this vertical segment as well. And here I have drawn these horizontal lines. And we can see that this segment is equal to this segment. Likewise, this segment is equal to this segment. And finally, this segment is going to be equal to this segment. And we know that this whole segment is 11 units. So therefore, we conclude that sum of these three individual segment lengths is going to be 11 units as well. So therefore our this vertical sum is going to be 11 plus this 11. So therefore this turns out to be 11 plus 11 is going to give us 22. So thus our vertical sum turns out to be 22. And here's our final step. Now let's make an observation. We can see the perimeter of this given polygon is going to be equal to this horizontal sum plus the vertical sum. And our horizontal sum turns out to be 40, and our vertical sum is 22. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So our horizontal sum is 40 plus vertical sum is 22. And if we add these one, that's going to give us 62 units. So thus the perimeter of this given polygon turns out to be 62 units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.